Are you new to making money online and looking for easy ways to earn $10 a day without spending any money up front? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some beginner-friendly methods that require little effort and no initial investment. These free strategies will help you get started, and once you're making around $300 a month, scaling up will become a breeze. Let's jump into these practical and accessible ways to start earning $10 a day right now. 1. User testing. One of the simplest ways to start earning money online is through user testing. Platforms like UserBrain and Tester. UserAra offer you the opportunity to get paid around $10 per test. Each test usually involves navigating different websites or apps and providing feedback on your experience. Tests generally take between 5 to 20 minutes to complete. While the availability of tests can be inconsistent, this method provides a straightforward way to start earning money. To get started, create an account on these platforms, complete an introductory video or tutorial, and then start taking tests to earn money. 2. Affiliate marketing with Testimonial. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to generate income online, and Testimonial's affiliate program is a great place to start. They offer a 30% commission on sales generated through your referral link. If you refer businesses to Testimonial, which helps them create testimonial pages for their products or services, you could earn a significant amount. Even with just a few referrals, you could potentially make up to $300 a month. Share Testimonial's services with your network or promote them on social media to start earning commissions. 3. Renting out space on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or even just an extra couch, renting it out on Airbnb can be a lucrative way to make money. Airbnb estimates that renting out a room can earn you around $45 per night. If you manage to rent it out for just 5 nights in a month, you could make $200. This method is practical and relatively easy if you have a clean, appealing space to offer. Create an attractive listing on Airbnb, set your availability, and start hosting to reach your $10 daily goal. 4. Playlist push. For those who love music, Playlist Push offers a chance to get paid for listening to and reviewing songs. You can earn $15 per song review, but you'll need a minimum of 1,000 Spotify followers to qualify as a curator. By reviewing one song each day, you could make $15 daily. This method allows you to enjoy new music while making money, although building and maintaining your Spotify account is necessary to qualify. 5. Naming contests on Atham. If you have a creative streak, participating in naming contests on Atham could be a profitable venture. Companies post contests seeking names for their products or businesses, and you can win cash prizes for the best submissions. Each contest can offer prizes of up to $500 or more. Submit your creative name ideas for various contests, and if your entry is selected, you could earn a substantial amount. This method leverages your creativity to earn money online. 6. Building an online community. Creating and monetizing an online community can be a powerful way to generate a steady income. Platforms like Teachable allow you to build a subscription-based community around a niche topic. For example, if you charge $10 per month and attract 30 members, you'll earn $300 a month, which equates to $10 a day. Offer valuable content or support within your community to attract and retain members, and explore additional monetization strategies such as selling digital products to increase your earnings. 7. Selling digital products on Etsy. Etsy is not only for handmade crafts, it's also a great platform for selling digital products like eBooks, guides, and printables. Use free tools to create these digital products, then list them on Etsy. You can start by taking advantage of free listing options. Search for promotions offering up to 40 free listings. Each sale contributes to your daily $10 goal. Focus on creating high-quality digital products that offer real value to buyers to maximize your sales. 8. Freelance Work on Rev.com. Rev.com provides various freelance opportunities, including transcription, captioning, and translation. You can earn approximately $1 per minute of audio transcribed or captioned. For instance, transcribing a 10-minute audio file can earn you $10. Rev.com offers flexible work options and pays on a weekly basis. Browse available jobs, complete tasks at your convenience, and start earning money through this platform. 9. Honeygain. Honeygain is an app that pays you for sharing your internet connection. By installing and running Honeygain on your devices, you can earn up to $65 a month. This is a passive income method that requires minimal effort. Just keep the app running in the background, and you'll earn money without having to actively participate. 10. ShrinkMe.io. ShrinkMe is a platform where you can earn money by shortening and sharing links. Create an account, shorten your links, and share them online. You earn money based on the number of clicks your shortened links receive. This method is simple and doesn't require you to sell anything. Just share your links and collect earnings. 11. Selling prompts on PromptBase. PromptBase allows you to sell specific prompts designed for AI tools like ChatGPT. If you create detailed and effective prompts, you can sell them repeatedly on PromptBase. Prompts are generally sold for $3 to $10 each. By selling a few prompts each day, you can easily achieve your $10 daily goal. This method leverages your knowledge and creativity to earn money online. 12. Social media shoutouts. If you have a social media account with a decent following, you can monetize it by selling shoutouts. Platforms like Shoutcard allow you to sell promotional posts to businesses or individuals. Depending on your follower count and engagement, you can earn $10 to $100 per shoutout. This method utilizes your existing social media presence to generate income. 13. Affiliate programs with Creative. Creative offers an affiliate program with 30% recurring commissions. By promoting their products or services using your referral link, you can earn money whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. This can provide a steady stream of income if you actively promote and drive traffic to Creative's offerings. 14. Self-publishing eBooks. Self-publishing eBooks on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing is another effective way to earn money. Write or create an ebook using free tools, then list it for sale on Kindle. Setting the price at $10 means that selling just one ebook per day will meet your $10 daily goal. With effective marketing, you can increase sales and earn more. 15. UserCrowd. UserCrowd is a platform that pays you for providing feedback on various products and services. Each feedback task pays around $10, and payments are made instantly after completing the task. UserCrowd offers a simple way to earn money by sharing your opinions and helping companies improve their products. By combining these methods, you can easily achieve your $10 a day target. Whether you're participating in user testing, engaging in affiliate marketing, or renting out a room on Airbnb, there are numerous opportunities to start making money online with little to no initial investment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.